case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1960 case of Fursmidt v. Hotel Abbey Holding Corp., the New York Supreme Court, Appellate Division grappled with the concept of satisfaction in contracts, focusing on whether personal or objective measures should apply, and whether a party's honest judgment or a jury should determine satisfaction when performance involves judgment, taste, or sensibility. The dispute arose when the defendant, Hotel Abbey, terminated a 3-year contract with the plaintiff for valet and laundry services, citing dissatisfaction with their performance. The plaintiff sued for breach of contract, and the defendant counterclaimed for damages. The trial court instructed the jury to determine the genuineness and reasonableness of the defendant's dissatisfaction. However, the contract specified that the defendant was to judge the satisfaction of the services, which led to the question of whether the defendant's dissatisfaction was honest or not. While the plaintiff claimed that the termination constituted a breach of contract, the defendant argued that the services did not meet its approval. The appellate court held that the trial court had erred by allowing the jury to determine the reasonableness of the defendant's dissatisfaction. Instead, the court ruled that the honest judgment standard should apply in determining whether the defendant terminated the contract in good faith. A new trial was ordered, with costs to abide by the final judgment. This decision emphasized the importance of distinguishing between personal and objective measures when evaluating satisfaction in contracts, asserting that honest judgment, rather than a jury's determination, should be the guiding principle in cases where the contract specifically reflects the party's intent for subjective satisfaction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.